What if you could own a piece of the AI revolution for less than the price of a new iPhone? The opportunity is here, and it could turn a small investment into a fortune. Today, I'll break down 3 AI powerhouse stocks you can buy right now with just $1,000. These aren't speculative bets, these are industry leaders driving real innovation. We'll dive into why they're poised for explosive growth and how you can get started, even with limited capital. I've done the research and crunched the numbers. This is the information that could change your financial future. So hit like, subscribe, and let's get into it. Alright, let's dive in. First up, let's talk about Meta Platforms, ticker symbol Meta. This is a company that's undergone one of the most dramatic transformations in the tech world over the past decade. Meta is no longer just the parent company of Facebook and Instagram. It's evolved into a true AI powerhouse, fundamentally changing the way billions of people connect, share, and communicate every single day. Every time you open Instagram or Facebook, you're interacting with some of the most advanced AI algorithms on the planet. These systems curate your feed with uncanny precision, learning your preferences and keeping you engaged for longer, fueling Meta's massive advertising engine. Their AI-driven ad business is a cash machine. Ad impressions and revenue per user have been climbing quarter after quarter, and Meta's ability to target ads with surgical accuracy is the envy of the entire digital advertising industry. What's Meta's secret sauce? It's their relentless investment in custom AI hardware. Billions have gone into developing proprietary chips like the Meta Training and Inference Accelerator, or MTIA, which supercharge their AI models and give them a strategic edge over competitors relying on off-the-shelf solutions. But Meta isn't stopping at social networks. They're laying the groundwork for the metaverse, a bold vision of interconnected virtual worlds. Here, AI powers everything from photorealistic avatars and real-time language translation to immersive interactive environments that could redefine how we work, play, and socialize online. One of Meta's most exciting moves is their open-source Llama AI model. By making this technology available to developers worldwide, Meta is building a global community of innovators, expanding its influence far beyond traditional social media and into the broader AI ecosystem. Financially, Meta is a fortress. They're sitting on a mountain of cash, have minimal debt, and possess the financial firepower to outspend almost any competitor in the race for AI dominance. With over 3 billion daily users across their platforms, Meta's data advantage is simply unmatched. This vast ocean of data fuels smarter AI, more relevant recommendations, and ever more targeted ads, creating a powerful feedback loop that's hard for rivals to replicate. And Meta is finding new ways to monetize this data. From AI-powered chatbots that help businesses connect with customers on WhatsApp, to advanced creator tools for Instagram Reels, they're opening up fresh revenue streams and expanding their reach into new markets. Even after a strong rebound in its stock price, Meta still trades at a reasonable valuation when you consider its growth prospects and the sheer scale of its operations. The market often underestimates just how far Meta has come, from a social media company to a true leader in artificial intelligence, with a hand in everything from digital advertising to open-source AI and virtual reality. Every product, every investment, and every new initiative at Meta is now viewed through the lens of AI. This creates a powerful flywheel effect. More users generate more data, which improves AI, which drives better products and more revenue. By investing in Meta, you're getting exposure to the world's largest digital advertising platform, cutting-edge open-source AI, the rapidly evolving metaverse, and a user base that spans nearly half the planet, all powered by some of the best AI research and development teams in the world. Of course, there are risks. Meta faces heavy spending requirements and constant regulatory scrutiny, especially around privacy and competition. But these risks are more than priced in, given the strength and resilience of their core business. Meta's AI engine is already delivering real, tangible results, improving user experiences, driving revenue, and providing a rock-solid foundation for their long-term bets on the future. When you buy Meta, you're not just buying Facebook or Instagram, you're buying a stake in the infrastructure, intelligence, and innovation that are shaping the digital future for billions of people. For investors seeking exposure to the AI revolution, Meta offers a rare combination: the stability of a proven business model and the explosive growth potential of next-generation technology. That's why Meta Platforms, ticker Meta, is the very first stock on my list of top AI plays for the future. It's a foundational AI play with a long runway for growth and the resources to keep innovating for years to come. Meta isn't just adapting to the AI era, it's actively shaping what that future will look like, setting the pace for the entire industry. If you want a de-risked, diversified way to participate in the AI boom, Meta is a compelling choice that offers both security and upside. The combination of current profitability, relentless innovation, and future potential is hard to beat in today's market. Meta is at the very center of the AI revolution, driving change across industries and around the globe. Don't overlook it as you build your portfolio for the future. Let's move to the next pick. Next up, let's talk about a company that's absolutely essential to the digital world, yet most people have never heard of it. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, or TSM for short. TSM is the backbone of the global chip industry, quietly powering the AI revolution with its advanced manufacturing. While tech giants get the headlines, TSM is the silent force enabling their breakthroughs, working behind the scenes to make the impossible possible. You won't see their logo on your phone or laptop, but their chips are inside nearly every major device and data center. From the smartphone in your pocket to the servers running the world's most powerful AI models, TSM's technology is everywhere, quietly driving progress. TSM doesn't design chips. They manufacture them for giants like Apple, Nvidia, and AMD. These companies dream up the next big thing, but it's TSM that brings those dreams to life, turning blueprints into billions of high-performance chips. Their relentless focus on manufacturing excellence has made them the world's most advanced semiconductor foundry. In fact, TSM holds a near monopoly on the most cutting-edge chips, producing technology that few others can even attempt. TSM produces the most advanced nodes, 5, 3, and soon 2 nanometer chips, critical for AI's insatiable computing needs. These tiny transistors are the secret sauce behind faster, more efficient AI, and TSM is the only company that can make them at scale. Nvidia's AI GPUs, Apple's custom chips, TSM makes them all. If you've marveled at the latest iPhone or the power of ChatGPT, you're really seeing TSM's handiwork in action. This picks and shovels approach means you benefit from the entire AI industry, not just one winner. No matter which company leads in AI, TSM profits from the entire ecosystem, supplying the essential tools everyone needs to compete. Their market share in advanced chips is staggering, giving them pricing power and long-term customer relationships. When the world's biggest tech companies need the best chips, they turn to TSM, again and again. Geopolitical risk is real. TSM is based in Taiwan, a region under constant global scrutiny, but their global importance creates what's called a silicon shield. The world depends on TSM, and that dependence acts as a powerful deterrent. Plus, TSM is expanding with new fabs in the US, Japan, and Germany, reducing risk and ensuring supply chain resilience. Financially, TSM is a fortress, strong cash flow, a rock-solid balance sheet, and a history of rewarding shareholders with dividends and buybacks. Their financial discipline means they can weather storms and invest in the future. As AI demand explodes, TSM's high-performance computing segment is growing rapidly. Every new AI breakthrough, every leap in machine learning drives more business to TSM's doors. The stock trades at a discount due to geopolitical concerns, but if you believe in their global strategy, this is a rare opportunity to buy an industry leader at a bargain. Sometimes the best investments are hiding in plain sight, waiting for the world to catch up. TSM's technological lead is years ahead of competitors, and their expertise is unmatched. Their engineers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, setting the pace for the entire industry. Investing in TSM means owning a piece of the most critical company in the semiconductor supply chain. Without TSM, the world's digital infrastructure would grind to a halt. You get exposure to Apple, Nvidia, AMD, and more, all in one stock. It's like holding the keys to the entire tech kingdom with one investment. The AI gold rush needs more powerful chips, and TSM is the only company that can deliver at scale. Their factories run around the clock, churning out the brains of tomorrow's technology. Yes, there's risk, but the company's strategic importance and leadership make it a compelling bet. In a world where technology is the new oil, TSM is the wellspring. TSM is the silent giant making the AI revolution possible. Their work is invisible, but their impact is everywhere, shaping the future in ways most people never realize. That's why Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, ticker TSM, is my second pick. It's not just a company, it's the foundation of the digital age. It's the master craftsman behind the scenes, the unsung hero that makes modern life possible. Don't let the lack of brand recognition fool you. TSM is indispensable. Every swipe, every search, every AI-powered moment owes something to their innovation. If you want to invest in the foundation of AI, TSM is the way to go. It's the company that quietly supports the entire digital world, brick by silicon brick. The growth story is simple. As AI grows, so does TSM. The more the world relies on smart technology, the more essential TSM becomes. Let's move to our final stock. Ready for the challenger? Here it is. Finally, let's talk about advanced micro devices, better known as AMD, ticker symbol AMD. This is a company that's been on a remarkable journey, transforming itself from a perennial underdog into a true force in the world of high-performance computing. Once dismissed as a distant second to its larger rivals, AMD has now emerged as a high-performance computing powerhouse, consistently pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI, data processing, and graphics technology. The company's transformation is largely credited to its visionary CEO, Dr. Lisa Su. Since taking the helm, Dr. Su has led AMD through a stunning turnaround, guiding it from the brink of irrelevance to a position where it now competes head-to-head with industry giants like Intel and Nvidia. In the world of artificial intelligence, the real battle is happening in the data center. This is where the most advanced AI models are trained and deployed, and AMD is making a major push with its Instinct series GPUs, powerful chips designed specifically to challenge Nvidia's long-standing dominance in this space. Their flagship MI300X chip is purpose-built for large language models and generative AI workloads. It boasts more memory and higher bandwidth than Nvidia's H100, making it a compelling choice for companies looking to train the next generation of AI systems. Overtaking Nvidia won't be easy. Nvidia has a massive head start and a deeply entrenched ecosystem, but the AI accelerator market is enormous and growing fast. There's plenty of room for a strong number two, and customers are increasingly looking for alternatives to avoid being locked into a single vendor. That's why cloud giants like Microsoft and Meta are already adopting AMD's chips for their own AI infrastructure. This isn't just a vote of confidence, it's a sign that AMD is gaining real momentum in the most important tech battleground of the decade, but hardware is only half the story. AMD is also investing heavily in its own software ecosystem, with platforms like ROCm making it easier for developers to port their code from Nvidia's CUDA. This is a crucial step, because software compatibility is often the biggest barrier to switching hardware providers. Beyond GPUs, AMD's EPIC server CPUs are steadily taking market share from Intel in the lucrative data center market. Meanwhile, their Ryzen processors are winning over PC users, gamers, and content creators with impressive performance and efficiency. AMD is also integrating AI capabilities directly into its CPUs, enabling a new wave of AI-powered features for everyday users. This could drive a major upgrade cycle in the PC market, as consumers and businesses look for machines that can handle the latest AI workloads natively. The acquisition of Xilinx, a leader in customizable FPGAs, has further expanded AMD's reach in AI and adaptive computing. This gives AMD a unique portfolio that spans everything from general-purpose CPUs and GPUs to highly specialized reconfigurable chips. AMD is now a pure-play bet on high-performance computing, with its chips powering everything from gaming consoles and high-end PCs to the world's fastest supercomputers and cutting-edge AI servers. Of course, there are risks. The biggest question is execution. Can AMD deliver on its ambitious roadmap, scale up production, and keep innovating at the pace the market demands? So far, their track record under Dr. Su has been nothing short of impressive. She's built a world-class engineering team and fostered a culture of relentless innovation. The AI chip market is projected to be absolutely massive in the coming years. If AMD can capture even a small fraction of this growth, the upside for investors could be enormous. AMD's partnership with TSMC, the world's leading chip manufacturer, ensures access to the most advanced semiconductor technology. Their innovative chiplet design not only improves performance and efficiency, but also helps control costs and speed up development cycles. Investing in AMD means betting on a challenger with a proven history of disrupting markets, a leadership team that's delivered time and again, and a company that's not afraid to take bold risks to win. It's true, AMD stock is more volatile and higher risk than something like TSMC. But with that risk comes the potential for significant rewards, especially as AI and high-performance computing reshape the tech landscape. The best part? AMD doesn't need to dethrone Nvidia to win big. Simply being a strong number two in a rapidly expanding market could translate into explosive growth and substantial returns for shareholders. That's why Advanced Micro Devices, ticker AMD, is my third and final pick for investors looking to ride the next wave of AI innovation. AMD's story is one of relentless innovation, fierce competition, and massive opportunity. It's about a company that refused to be counted out and is now shaping the future of technology. For investors willing to embrace a bit more risk, AMD offers a compelling way to gain exposure to the future of AI, high-performance computing, and the next generation of digital experiences. With AMD, you get a stake in every major tech trend: cloud computing, gaming, artificial intelligence, and more. It's a company at the intersection of all the most exciting developments in technology today. The upside is real. If they execute on their vision and continue to deliver breakthrough products, AMD is the challenger to watch in the AI era. Let's wrap up. There you have it, 3 AI stocks: Meta, TSM, and AMD. Each offers a unique way to invest in the future of artificial intelligence with just $1,000. The AI revolution is just beginning, and these companies are laying the groundwork for the next decade. Want to level up your investing? Check out my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, link in the description. For exclusive stock tips and in-depth analysis, join the StocksGalore Patreon community. Which AI stock do you think has the most explosive potential? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your take below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Invest smart and invest in the future.